Hey guys, welcome to Takis Guru. Today we'll be learning how to update Telegram app, and now let's dive right in. Now to update the Telegram app on your phone, first open the Play Store on your phone. And after opening the Play Store on your phone, guys, you can see there's a search bar at the top of the screen. Now tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and you'll be required to search for Telegram over here. After typing in the Telegram on the search bar, search for it, and you will be on this interface where you can see the Telegram option available for us at the top of the list. Tap on Telegram. Now in order to update it, you can see guys there is the open button available for me on my phone because the Telegram app on my phone is up to date. Now if in your case your Telegram app had required an update, there would be an update button over here instead of the open button. If you got the update button, guys, tap on that to update your Telegram, and your Telegram will be updated momentarily depending upon your net speed. But guys, if you also have the open button, your Telegram app on your phone is up to date. And with that being said, guys, this is the process to update your Telegram app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.